inspired by Native American traditional teachings. Lakoli api king hecha. Lakdota wong speking hechelo yate king oichakie. Listen. Come closer to the fire. Sit where the embers glow like memory, where smoke rises in quiet prayers to the ancestors. An elder speaks, not loudly, but with the weight of mountains in his voice. He says, "There is a battle within you. Not of blade against blade, nor arrow against shield, but of spirit against spirit. Two wolves dwell inside your heart. One is born of shadow. It howls with anger, paces with envy, hungers with greed. It carries the sharp teeth of resentment and drinks from rivers of fear. It whispers lies in the darkness, telling you that you are small, that you are alone, that you are not enough. The other wolf. The other wolf walks softly. It moves like dawn across the prairie, gentle as snowfall upon sacred ground. Its breath is peace. Its eyes shine with truth. It is love, it is hope, it is compassion that flows like a living stream. It teaches the heart to forgive, the spirit to endure, and the soul to rise with the morning sun. These wolves are not enemies of the earth. They are reflections of you. One born of fear, one born of light, and they are always fighting. Claw against claw, tooth against tooth, silence against song. A child listens, eyes wide as the open sky. Grandfather, he asks, which wolf will win? The fire crackles, the wind leans closer, even the stars hold their breath. The elder smiles a knowing, ancient smile. The one you feed. So feed it wisely. Feed it with kindness when the world offers cruelty. Feed it with truth when deception darkens the path. Feed it with courage when fear grips your spirit like winter's frost. Feed it with humility, with gratitude, with the sacred understanding that every step upon this earth is a prayer. For the Great Spirit listens, in the rustle of leaves, in the cry of the eagle, in the beating of your own heart. And when your journey ends and your footprints fade into the dust, may it be the wolf of light that walks beside you, not as a conqueror, but as a companion, not as a victor, but as the truth you chose to become. Remember, the battle is within you. The choice is within you. Always, it is the wolf you feed.